Trinity Credit Services features, strengths, weaknesses. Trinity Credit Services offers a suite of credit repair solutions, primarily focusing on challenging inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable information on credit reports with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Their core feature revolves around personalized credit analysis, identifying negative items like bankruptcies, foreclosures, charge-offs, collections, late payments, and inquiries that are potentially dragging down your score. They then initiate dispute processes, communicating with creditors and credit bureaus on your behalf. Key to their approach is a tiered pricing structure, often involving an initial setup fee followed by monthly charges reflecting the scope of services provided. Trinity Credit Services is best suited for individuals with demonstrable errors on their credit reports, who are struggling to navigate the dispute process independently. Those with complex financial situations, significant debt, or facing legal action related to debt may require more comprehensive financial counseling beyond the scope of credit repair alone. One major strength is their experience in the industry, allowing them to understand the nuances of credit bureau procedures and creditor responses. They also offer a degree of convenience, handling the often tedious communication required in disputing items. However, a potential weakness lies in the uncertainty of results. Credit repair is not a guaranteed fix, and success depends heavily on the accuracy of the information being challenged and the responsiveness of creditors. High monthly fees compared to DIY solutions or other credit repair companies could be a drawback for some. Additionally, while they focus on removing negative items, they don't actively address underlying debt management or budgeting issues, which are crucial for long-term financial health. Remember, no credit repair company can legally remove accurate negative information. If negative items are valid, the best course of action is typically to address the underlying debt. Before committing, thoroughly research Trinity Credit Services' specific pricing structure, cancellation policies, and customer reviews to ensure they align with your needs and budget. Consider exploring nonprofit credit counseling agencies for a holistic approach to credit and debt management. In conclusion, Trinity Credit Services can be a viable option for correcting errors on your credit report and potentially improving your score, but only if you understand its limitations and weigh the costs against the potential benefits. Always remember to prioritize responsible financial habits for sustained credit health.